Charlie. My grades are low, mommy, daddy.
What you're talking about?
Our daughter has something to tell us.
What is it?
My grades are very low, daddy.
Inside your picture.
Good morning, ma'am. How may I help you? We're here to ask our daughter's grades.
Your daughter's grades? Unfortunately, it's bad. I think there is some instructions, that's why her grades are failing.
Okay, thank you for informing
Thank
us.
you for joining us, teacher. Bye, ma'am.